it's Brooke with Beehive Crafts coming to you with a small haul, and just to remind you, I have all these Cricut cartridges. They're in perfect condition. You will not be able to link them to Cricut Craft Room or your Gypsy, but they will still work in any Cricut machine. They were in perfect condition. All I did was take them out, link them, put them back in, and put them in this big box. So email me, beehivecrafts@yahoo.com, for a complete list. I do have a couple that are still brand new in the package. Like I've got a Mickey Mouse and Friends, brand new, still in the package. Like I said, I'm back with a vengeance. I've been stamp shopping, you know, my obsession with stamps. So I also sell close to my heart stamps, so I'll also put that link down below. So on Scrap Ace, one of the daily deal sites, I got some stamps. I got it for Handsome Boy. They had a 2-set stamp that I loved, and then this one, Lovely Girl. And that's why I got it for those two, but I like the rest of them. And I got 2 sets because I'll probably sell 1 set. And then also they had this. This is really cute. It says beautiful, and it's got some spiral little flowers and things like that. And then silly, fun, happy, hilarious, and it's got a couple flowers and a flourish. And then it says, noted in the moment, a good day. It's got some little arrows at the bottom, a little bubble. I love you today, tomorrow, and forever. I love that. This is what I got it for. Hello, my name is. And so I got that. And at, let's see, scrapbookpal.com, they had some Lawn Fawn on sale. And I didn't know that they have now die cuts that match their stamps. And they were out of the one that matched this, but I'm going to go back and try and see if I can get it sometime or find it somewhere else at a reasonable price. I'm still looking for the Say Cheese too, but I couldn't believe I found this one. Love that one. It says, Say Cheese, picture perfect, and I love you, and it's got the little camera. Seen a lot of you guys do cards and layouts with this one, and I've always wanted this one. So happy I found that one. This one too, I love this one. You got mail, it's a postcard. Then it's that little postal kind of link or line, and then mail, and it's a little envelope, sending love your way. And this one I love too. And this one's the check this out. Save the date, check this out. Sorry I'm overdue. To thank you, wishing happy birthday to you. It's got a little book. It's got the old library thing, and then this book belongs to, and of course the library card itself. So I've been going online I've been obsessed now with Tim Holtz Blueprints series. Really love it now. Wasn't too impressed at first, but you know, it's Tim Holtz, and you know, I really love it. It's really just cute as can be. I got 2 of them at Overstock.com because I'm in that O Club, where you spend $20 a year and you get free shipping on anything. So like if I want 1 stamp set, I don't have to pay for shipping, which is really great because it does pay for itself in the end, really. So this one, and the other daily deal site that I've been going to is called mollysquare.com. Really cute meaning behind the name of the site. And they've been having a lot of, where they have 1 or 2 deals a day on that site. And they've been having a lot of the blueprints from Tim Holtz and Stampers Anonymous, and a lot of Tim Holtz products as daily deals. I got them for $16.23, and then like $2 and something for shipping. So check that site out. Of course, I'll put the link below so you can see. And I'm going to go through these real quick. Travel Blueprint, love that. And this is the Mini Blueprints 3. I'll put that up there. And this is the Industrial Blueprint. And this is the Blueprints, Mini Blueprints 4. This is the Vintage Blueprints. This is the Birthday Blueprints. This is the Sewing Blueprints. And this is Mini Blueprints. I think this is like a seasonal one because it's got fall, you know, like fall, Halloween, and then Christmas. And I think that may be what the other one, maybe Mini Blueprints 2 is the one I don't have. Because here's an Easter one, Mini Blueprints Easter. And then I also got this one on Overstock. It's Conservatories Gypsies. Well, anyway, I think there's There's also a mini blueprints, maybe 5, because I don't have this set in large, and I don't have this set in large that I need to get. And then, of course, like I said, there should be like a holiday one, maybe a mini blueprint, just number 2, that's, I think, maybe have this. And it's got like 4th of July. I know there's a 4th of July mini blueprint that I don't have, and a large one that I don't have. So I'm looking to find those at a reasonable price. I had gotten this one on Overstock.com, and it was $23 on Overstock.com, but I had like $11 in O rewards, so I put it towards that, and only paid like $10 for it, so yay me! I was about the bonuses, or the coupons, or, you know, whatever. Don't forget, ladies, I've got those. If you buy 4 or more, I'll drop the price down on each of them. Email me for a list. Of course, I'll always send you a little extra something crafty item in your package when you buy from me. Doesn't matter what site you buy from me on. I've got Etsy. I do Top Hatter. If you ladies have heard of Top Hatter, I sell on Top Hatter as well. It's Beehive Crafts, and then in parentheses, Mickey for Mickey Mouse, because my son, you know, he loves Mickey Mouse. So go to tophatter.com. It's an auction site, really cute. They do like a crafting auction Tuesdays, Thursdays, and I think on Saturdays now too. So check that out. That's a fun one. I'm on Etsy, and then of course I do direct sales through PayPal, because that way you get your buyer's coverage, you know, on any item. I also sell Close to My Heart stamps, which I'll be doing another video specifically Close to My Heart stamps. You can either directly make an order through my website, or you for Close to My Heart, and that's a Close to My Heart website, or you can go to the link that or you can order through me, because I make an order once a month, like on the 25th of each month. I make an order of stamps, and I can just send it to you directly. And of course you'll get a little extra crafty item from me if you do it that way, because that way I can get the totals up. So if you want just one stamp set, it's probably easier just to tell me what you want. I'll order it and then invoice you through PayPal. And then I've got some Graphic 45 single sheets still available. And I've got some other single sheets still available, and I'm going to be going through a lot of my pages and for sale. So I'll do another video of that, so check it out, ladies, and don't forget, lots of Cricut cartridges. Alright, talk to you ladies later. Have a great day.